I shot a video of this shit too. I ain't never put it up.
Nigga was the wizard, sippin' off a scissor. Young rich nigga, Jewish cold like a blizzard. Yeah, I just met this stripper, and I flipped her with flippers. She gave up for dinner, and we still didn't tip her. Bitch, I'm a big dripper, shoot like Derek Fisher. Yes, I'm just one ballin' as a nigga. The Lord knows I'm a sinner, yeah, I'm a fashion killer. Please show me my contender, these bitches call me Mr. Glock. What you thought, oh, yeah, I get guap, walking like show, yeah, ice right, whoa, yeah, I just might go, what, to the North Pole, cause I'm too cold, and I'm too froze, yeah, in my two-seater, ride with two hoes, ready to blow, like my two new hoes, Glock you too bold, duh, bitch, no, need to tell me something that I don't know, nigga was the wizard, smoking on some killer, I shoot like Damian Lillard, one ballin' as a nigga, show me my contender, I turn to Jack the Ripper, my diamonds getting bigger, make summer feel like winter, cold, whoa, white go slow, whoa, yo, ho, trying to go, yes, bro,
what's up?
I can't let no hoe, you know, whoa,
that ain't how I roll.
No, what's the wizard, sipping off a scissor, young